I'm sharing grilled chicken recipe with avocado, salad and boiled beans and peas. So guys, this is the very easy and healthy recipe. This is very delicious to eat as well. So let's begin. So today I have got chicken thighs. I'm cooking with the skin. So I washed and I cut in the middle like that. So I have got 4 to 5 pieces. And for marinade I have got light soya sauce. I have got 2 tablespoons. Garlic crushed 3 to 4 cloves. Lemon juice I have got 2 tablespoons. Red chilli sauce 1.5 teaspoons. Dark soya sauce 1 tablespoon. Green peppers I have got 1.5 teaspoons. Salt I take 1.5 teaspoon, but I'm going to use according to my taste. Half teaspoon of sesame seeds roasted. For avocado salad I have got 2 avocado and cherry tomatoes 4 to 5. Red onion half. 1 green chilli and half lemon. And this is the frozen broad beans with peas. I'm taking 1.5 cup. So guys, I'm telling you first how to marinate. This is the soy sauce. Then I'm going to add the garlic here. Lemon juice. Dark soya sauce. Reason I'm adding the dark soya sauce because I like to make a little bit dark color. Red chili sauce. Don't need to add any salt because the soy sauce has a high content of the salt. Then I'm going to mix properly. And I'm going to add all over the chicken like this. Then I'm going to leave like that first. Then I'm going to crush the pepper first. I done roughly crushed. You can see I didn't make very powdery. Then I'm going to add little bit salt, not too much, because sauce is already very salty. Then I'm going to add the pepper. 1.5 teaspoon I'm going to add. Mix properly. Massaging properly, so need to absorb all spices inside the chicken like that. I'm going to leave 15 to 20 minutes. So after 15-20 minutes, then I'm going to put in the tray. After that, I'm going to put in the grill in the oven. And let it cook till the brown. By the time cooking the chicken, I'm going to prepare the salad, avocado salad. So I'm taking the spoon first like that. Make a small pieces. Then you can mash with a spoon. Need to make a little bit like a smooth and mashed. Then I'm going to chop the onion. Then I'm going to add green chili. Chopped very small. This is very spicy, so only I'm putting 1. Then add that. Then I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt. You can put according to your taste. Then I'm going to put lemon squeeze. Then going to mix all together once again. I'm going to put the cherry tomatoes. This is very small size, so guys, you can put big tomatoes as well. So I'm making 4 pieces. And then very end, I'm going to add the tomatoes. Then I'm going to gently mix, because I don't want to mash the tomato. So this is the avocado salad ready. Then I'm going to put in one side. Next I take the pan, then I put the water a little bit and gas on already. Then I'm going to boil the board beans with a piece. Then guys, don't forget to turn the chicken. I'm going to check the chicken first. Then I'm going to put back in the grill again. Grilled chicken is ready. You can see it's properly cooked. So it's ready to eat. Then I'm going to serve now. Then I'm going to put the salad. Then beans. Then I'm going to garnish with sesame seed a little bit. Then I'm going to put crushed pepper. So guys, it's ready to eat. This grilled chicken with the avocado salad and with boiled board beans with a piece. So guys, you must try this recipe. This is very simple and healthy recipe and very delicious to eat. So thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, everyone, take care. Bye bye.